Hello everyone, this is Group 4. My name is Edison.
My name is Kevin.
We are going to talk about a number of questions of the three triple bottom line. The first question that is what is the triple bottom line? From the perspective of macroeconomics, enterprises need to meet the balanced development of economic prosperity, environmental protection, and social welfare in the process of pursuing their own development. Traditionally, the bottom line of a single business operation is profit. In other words, the pursuit of business is profit, is the economic interest of shareholders. Triple bottom line is the minimum performance achieved in the three dimensions of economic, society, and environment at the same time. It is an update of the past single bottom line business philosophies. Such as the triple bottom line requires enterprises to change from a single profit maximization goal to the maximization of the overall goal of the three dimensions of economic, society, and environment. From the perspective of macroeconomic analysis, the triple bottom line is the sustainable development ability that can meet the needs of the current generation without jeopardizing the ability of future generation to meet their needs. When economic, environmental, and social benefits meet the operate at the triple bottom line, enterprises can actively improve the social and natural environment and obtain long-term economic benefits and lasting competitive advantages.
The next question is why is the triple bottom line so important to companies? If a business wants to be successful, I think the triple bottom line is indispensable. When a company only considers how to profit, ignoring environmental and social responsibilities, enterprises will move towards the opposite of consumers and the whole society. Company will face various trouble at operation. Enterprises' social responsibility is not only about donation and charity, but also something meaningful to stabilize the company. Companies must be kind to their employees and not squeeze them. And business should provide quality products and services for the social. If the enterprise does not fulfill the environmental bottom line, the consumption of any products is low in quality and low in efficiency. The reason of one company unsustainable development is company does not save and recycle resources and protect the environment. In a word, triple bottom line is the root of enterprise development.
The last question that is analyze how each Google data center contributes to the triple bottom line. For the economic, there are 5 key points. The first point is high level of data security. Google data security level is higher than other companies because Google Data Center has an independent information security team, making Google has a strong competitive force, helping enterprises to obtain more profits. The second point that is data center employees are passionate about their work on the campus of the Google Data Center. Employees love what they do. Their hard work and clear division and even exceed 3 million working hours. Therefore, their hard work helps company make more profits. For the various technologies establish different levels of security. The Google Data Center use a variety of technologies such as lasers and biometric error scanners. This can optimize the identification, efficiency, and function of the security system. Google custom designed servers Google data centers use custom designed servers that are different from traditional servers. Staff optimization at any time to change the servers will help improve the efficiency of the machine to achieve super efficiency and help performance computing. The last point is machine room water circulation system. The water circulation system can better cool the server in the computer room, improve the efficiency of Google search, surpass the competitors in the search industry, and make profits.
For about environment, there are 3 points. The first point is carbon offsets. In this video, the Vice President of Google Data Center named Joy Carver mentioned carbon offsets. It means the Google Data Center is dedicated to contributing to environmental protection and reducing carbon dioxide emissions. The second point is the temperature in the machine room is warm. The environment of the machine room is very warm. It can help improve the efficiency of all aspects. The third point is the machine room water circulation system. The machine room has its own cooling system. The hot air in the server is combined with the water through the channels to become warm water. Then warm water is brought outside the data center to cool down. Finally, warm water returns to the data center through the cooling tower. This is a system for recycling water resources through the cooling system and hot air in servers. And for about social, there are 3 points. The first point is data security, protect user privacy. Google Data Center have information security teams and other security systems to protect users' privacy. Users' information is the most important thing to Google Data Center. The second point is interesting work environment. The company provides a pleasant working environment for employees. There are recreational facilities in the company and they can bring pets to work together. It can make employees happy and improve their work efficiency. They enjoy their work and have a clear division of labor. The combined hours of all employees have exceeded 3 million hours. The third point is various technologies. Google Data Center provides different levels of security for employees. Someone who are not employees of the company are not allowed to enter the company. The company also offers high technology to help employees do their works and improve their work efficiency. And there are the references. That's all. Thanks for your listening.